sort of even more clear, if not already clear, triangles and circles. State theory are your circles, colonial theory are the triangles. And go back and replay that if you need to look at that again. And back to our list of terms. Notice occupation down there. Occupation. Okay, 118 years of occupation. Okay, and looking at it different, just to sort of ultra clarify this. If you look on the left, colonial theory, the relationship of a circle and triangle would be this. Okay, so again, we're looking at Hawaii. Again, sort of shift out of the large view and look back at Hawaii. And what the ultimate goal of all this information is. The ultimate goal is to ascertain, to figure out under which theory Hawaii fits. Okay, is it on the left in a triangle that fits within a circle, or is it such that is represented on the right side? Okay, so if we look back at what happened in Hawaii, okay, we're going to either see that it belongs to state theory or colonial theory. Okay, you don't apply the theory to the events, you apply the events to the theory. Okay, so you look at the events, and then by the evidence given from those events, you can say which theory it belongs to. You don't force fit your theory onto the events. Okay, and that's kind of the scientific method and why we're all in school. Okay, so after looking at the events, we're going to either see one or two of these outcomes. Okay. Okay, because it's talking about domestic law and international law. Domestic law is the arrows within the borders of a nation. International law is international, between nations. Okay. So the state of Hawaii, and if you like my wordplay there, my triple kauna, state of Hawaii, where to begin and what can we prove? Sorry about that. So state, of course, meaning the current state of, also means the state of, as in, are we the 50th state? And the state of, meaning, are we a nation state? What can we prove? Okay, so again, colonial theory and state theory. Okay, these would be the the elements, the basic things that would need to be satisfied in order to say Hawaii is either under colonial theory or state theory. Okay. So according to colonial theory, this is important, Hawaii would have to be a non-nation state, not in the family of nations at the time of takeover. And state theory says that Hawaii would have to be a member of family of nations at the time of takeover. So the question is, again, what was Hawaii's status before its takeover in 1893? Is its takeover an occupation or a colonization? These are the questions we want to answer. Because, right, we find out this, and this is important. So really what we're looking at is Hawaii's status. Was it a circle or a triangle? Back in the 1840s, when Hawaii was taken over by the United States, what was its status? If it was a non-nation state, then Hawaii is colonized under colonial theory. If Hawaii was a member, it's occupied. Okay, so pause this, look at this, read this very carefully. But the most important point just came up at the bottom there, which is you cannot be both at the same time. Okay, you cannot be colonized and occupied. Either or, black or white. There is no gray in the middle. It's black or white. You cannot be both at the same time. Very, 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 very important point. And the answer is found in colonial theory and state theory.